Imagine you want to make money or build cool projects using artificial intelligence, AI. Not all ideas are worth your time. Here is where the real magic happens. Building AI agents, the best choice. It's like building a super complex Lego set that nobody else knows how to put together. Many people say they know how to build chatbots, but very few actually know how to connect all the pieces so they work smoothly without breaking. When you learn how to do this, you become a superhero for businesses, repurposing viral videos into new content. You find videos that are already super popular, grab everything spoken in them, the transcript, and ask Claude to rewrite and improve the information. Then, you combine that fresh text with free stock videos or images from the internet and post them on social media. It's like a smart content factory. AI ghostwriting with your own style. Anyone can press a button and ask a computer to write a story, but it almost always comes out boring and generic. The trick here isn't the machine, it's your good taste. If you know how to teach the AI to speak with the right tone and flavor, people will pay to hire you. Building AI apps, a different path. New tools let you build apps really fast. It's a great space, but it requires thinking about how people use the app, the design and buttons, rather than just connecting back-end systems. Building simple websites. Making basic websites or online stores is way too easy nowadays. Everyone uses ready-made templates, so it's not worth spending all your energy competing there. Clipping videos or creating avatars. Skip these. Cutting up long video clips without changing anything is something anyone can do in 2 minutes. Creating virtual avatars requires acting talent and visual storytelling skills, which is a completely different job from building systems. The secret, focus on learning how to connect complex tools and use AI to upgrade what already exists.